Welcome to 1710 Creeksand Lane, Paso Robles, California. This beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath home is located in the very desirable Riverbank neighborhood. The floor plan is very inviting and lends itself well to entertaining or relaxing. The dining room opens up to the family room, where everyone can congregate and enjoy the roaring wood-burning fireplace. The upgraded laminate flooring and designer paint really add a special touch. The kitchen is open, light, and airy as the bay windows allow the natural light to shine through. It features a 4-burner gas cooktop, oven, microwave, dishwasher and an abundant amount of cabinets for extra storage. The master suite is spacious with a walk-in closet and large bathroom. The 2 other bedrooms are ample-sized with nice closet space. Now for the backyard. It truly is a playland. There are 2 fabulous pergolas/canopies at different areas of the yard for resting and relaxation. One of them has rotating slats that can be adjusted for optimal sun and shade. There is also a play structure perfect for the little ones, but can also be removed if wanted, and 2 large storage sheds. Thank you for taking our virtual tour. Have a nice day.